In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Lenovo account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in account.lenovo.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Lenovo. You can see over here you'll be able to sign in or create the account for yourself. So all you have to do is provide the email address, or you can also continue with Google or Facebook if you want. So simply click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to enter my email address. So click on the field of email address and enter your email address over here. Now choose your account type. You'll be able to see three options over here: Personal, Lenovo Pro, Lenovo Education. Click on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to create the account for yourself. Enter your first name. Likewise, click on the field of last name and enter your last name. Now you can also provide the phone number, but it is completely optional. You can also skip it. Now what you have to do is create a password for yourself. You need to meet these requirements. Your password must have 8 to 20 characters, one alphabetic letter, one number and one symbol. So create the password accordingly. Now confirm the password. Now after you do that, you can also join the Lenovo reward sign up. For that, simply check on this box. You can also sign up for the Lenovo emails. For that, what you have to do is check on this box. Now after you do that, check on this option. Yes, I have read and accepted the privacy policy. You're also confirming that you're 16 years of age or older. Now click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to verify your account. A code has been sent to your email. So what you have to do is go to new tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here Gmail has been opened. Lenovo has sent me the email. So simply click on that particular email. In this email, you'll be able to see the verification code. Memorize this code. Go back to the Lenovo tab. Now what you have to do is simply enter that code over here. Now click on this option, verify and create account. Now you can see over here your Lenovo account has been created. So that is how you create Lenovo account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.